Many Texas women are nervous about pregnancy complications due to a recent medical abortion case in Dallas.
The Texas Supreme Court ruled against a woman who sought a court-approved abortion due to health reasons. Fox 44's Hannah Hoover spoke with a law professor to explain the legal ramifications within the abortion ban. Hannah.
Adam, MG, Texas allows abortions only when the pregnancy seriously threatens the life or health of a woman, but the court did not believe Kate Cox's condition in Dallas posed the required risk for the exception.
Texas trigger law requires that it be the reasonable medical judgment of doctors that a life-threatening emergency exists before they can lawfully perform an abortion.
Oftentimes, it is not clear whether a jury will agree an abortion points to a reasonable medical judgment. University of Houston professor Seth Chandler says doctors play Russian roulette when they perform abortions in Texas because it is unlikely they can ask the court in advance.
If a local elected prosecutor disagrees, they can indict. And potentially, if a jury agrees, the doctor can go to prison, potentially for life.
Chandler says it's important for pregnant women to discuss options up front with their doctor in the event pregnancy complications arise.
What the doctor's views are on performing an abortion, because some doctors may be morally opposed, some doctors may be very risk averse and saying, I'm not going to prison for you.
Some counties in Texas are trying to ban traveling out of state for a lawful abortion called abortion trafficking.
I have grave doubts that those sort of ordinances are constitutional. And as a practical matter, you can fly, you can just avoid those counties for now.
Chandler says a minimal solution is for the Texas Medical Board to start issuing guidelines for the protection of doctors and pregnant women.
It's still going to be quite restrictive, but at least in cases where there was one of these borderline, maybe it's a medical emergency, maybe it's not, doctors might have a better sense as to whether they face prison for doing what they think is in their patient's best interest.
While doctors can consult their counterparts or hospital administrators, Professor Chandler believes that a set of guidelines from the Texas Medical Board is essential as recommended by the Texas Supreme Court. Live in the newsroom, Hannah Hoover, Fox 44 News.